Good afternoon, lecturer and my fellow classmates. My name is Moto Colin. I am a student at Asian Institute of Cambodia. And today I'm very glad to have this opportunity to deliver my speech. First of all, I would like to show my respect and gratitude to our lecturer Persema for giving me this chance to present in front of the class. The topic of my speech today is robot. In my speech, I will talk about what the robots are, how they can help people in daily life, and they important for modern world. Now let's begin with my speech on the robot. A robot is a machine. It is just like any machine. It is a special kind of machine. It is a machine that moves. It follows instruction. The instruction come from the computer because it is a machine. It cannot make mistake and it cannot get tired and it never complains unless you tell it to. Robots are all around us. Some robots are used to make things. For example, robots are used to help make cars. Some robots are used to explore dangerous places. For example, robots can explore the volcano. Some robots just look like human, but most robots are not. Most robots look like a machine. Long ago, people imagined the robot. Over 2,000 years ago, the poet was imagined the robot. The poet's name was Homer. His robot can made of gold, but they were not real. Nobody was able to make the real robot. The first real robot was made in 1961. It was called Unimate. It can help make car. It looked like a giant arm. In the future, we will have even more robots. They can do things that too dangerous for us. Robot will do fast fire, and they can do faster war, and they can do faster sickness, and they make life better. Finally, I would like to show my lecturer Persema and my fellow classmates for attention to me. Have a nice day.